In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe survey to your email marketing in Kit. This is a simple but powerful way to understand why people are leaving your list, so you can improve your content, your offers, and your overall email strategy over time. We'll walk through the easiest click-by-click method inside your Kit account. Feel free to follow along on your own screen as I describe each step. Even though the process is short, I'll explain what each action does so you know exactly why you're doing it, not just where to click. Start by heading into your Kit account dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your account icon. This might be your profile picture, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Click that account icon to open the account menu, and from that drop-down, choose the Settings option. This takes you into the main area where you can control how your account and your emails behave. Once you're in Settings, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different categories. Find and click on Email. This section holds all of the key configuration options related to sending, formatting, and managing your email communications in Kit. After you're in the email settings, scroll down the page slowly until you see a section related to your mailing address information. Somewhere near that area, you'll find the option labeled Unsubscribe Survey. It should appear as a toggle or switch. This feature allows Kit to automatically show a short survey when someone clicks to unsubscribe from your emails, so you can collect feedback on why they decided to leave your list. Now, to turn this on, simply click the Unsubscribe Survey toggle so that it moves into the enabled position. When it's enabled, Kit will start presenting that survey to your unsubscribers, giving you insights into common reasons people opt out, such as receiving too many emails or not finding the content relevant. Before you leave this page, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom or top right of the settings area, and click it. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, the unsubscribe survey will not actually be activated. And that's all you need to do. With just a few clicks, you've added an unsubscribe survey to your email marketing in Kit, giving you valuable data to refine and improve your future campaigns.